In this video, you'll learn how to set up shipping rates in Shopify in just a few minutes, so you can deliver your products to customers with clear, fair pricing. First, sign in to your Shopify admin at shopify.com. Once you're in, click on Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Shipping and Delivery from the menu to access all shipping configurations. Next, click Manage Rates next to your General profile. This is where you'll set up shipping zones for different regions, including domestic and international destinations. Each zone can have its own custom shipping rates. Now, create a new shipping zone. Click Create Shipping Zone, name it based on the region, and select the countries or states it includes. Then click Add Rate to start configuring shipping options for that zone. After that, choose the rate type. You can offer flat rates, free shipping above a certain threshold, or carrier-calculated rates based on weight, package size, and shipping speed using providers like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. Once your rates are set, save your changes. Shopify will automatically calculate shipping costs at checkout based on the customer's location and selected delivery option, giving them transparent pricing every time they buy. And that's it. Your Shopify shipping rates are now configured, and your store is ready to ship orders smoothly.